Howdy folks, Dr. Ed here with Total Body Healthcare, and I've got your Whiteboard Wednesday thought of the week. We're continuing our series on chemical stress. We started back in December. We've covered a lot of ground. Hopefully you found the information helpful, informative, maybe even helping you to make some changes as far as your lifestyle is concerned. We had a great webinar last night talking about endocrine disrupting chemicals. A lot of good information there. Hopefully you found it. If you didn't get a chance to attend last night, make sure you shoot us an email and ask us. We've got it recorded. We'll send you the YouTube link for it so you can watch it whenever you get a chance. But what I want to discuss today on Whiteboard Wednesday is a little bit a point that I made last night, but it was a quick one. Let's go in a little bit deeper with it, and pardon the pun, deeper with it, because we're going to talk about water, hydration in particular, as far as our bodies are concerned. When I talk about it with patients here in the office, a lot of times, actually most of the times, I kind of get that look on their face like, "Doc, that's not that important. My neck hurts. Why are you talking about hydration?" It's all part of living a healthy lifestyle. So first question I want to answer for you is, how much water do you need? The old recommendation of 8-ounce glasses is no longer valid because we're all different sizes. How can we all need the same amount of water? The amount of water that you need on a daily basis is based on your current size, your body weight. So take that number, whatever that number is, divide it in half. That's the number of ounces that you would need. So very simple math. If somebody's 200 pounds, they would need 100 ounces. So you do the math for yourself. That's the amount that you currently need at your current body weight. Number one with that, as far as what I would recommend, is make sure that it's filtered water. This goes in with some of the endocrine disrupting chemicals that we talked about last night. If you can get those out of your water by drinking filtered water, whether it's one of the pitchers that you stick in your refrigerator, or whether your refrigerator may have a filter built into it when you get water there. They even have water bottles, some of your reusable water bottles that have filters. Any of those would work just fine because it gets rid of a lot of those toxic chemicals, the heavy metals, the chlorine, the fluoride. There's lots of things that it gets out of the water. But why? Why do we need to do that? Well, if you think about it, the human body is made up of 75% water, and it goes all the way down to the cellular level. Think back to high school biology and the pictures of cells that we used to see in our biology book. That's kind of what I was trying to draw right here. I'm not a great artist. But the cell wall, and this goes for any cell, whether it's a cardiac cell or a muscle cell or the cell in the lining of your stomach. This goes for any cell. The cell wall is made up of an aqueous solution, in other words, water. And if that water's not there, the nutrients, the minerals, the hormones that are on the outside of the cell cannot get into the cell for the organelles inside the cell to work. If the water is there, then those things can get inside. You then have a healthy cell. If you have a healthy cell, you have a healthy organ. If you have a healthy organ, you have a healthy organ system. If you have a healthy organ system, you have a healthy body. It starts with water. Half your body weight in ounces is what you're shooting for as far as hydration level is concerned. Hopefully you find that helpful. I'm Dr. Ed with Total Body Healthcare. There's your Whiteboard Wednesday thought of the week.